How to make Google Chrome your default browser on Android phone. If any day you are an Android user and you would like to make Google Chrome your default browser on your very Android phone but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find your Google Chrome on your mobile device. After you find it, you have to tap on it. After tapping on it, now you have to go to the I like option. After tapping on the I like option, now it will take you to an interface like this. Now, after it takes you to an interface like this, you have to tap on notifications. After tapping on notification, you have to allow notifications and allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to tap on permissions and allow the permission to camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notification, photos, and videos. Again, you can go back, and after going back, now you have to tap on the option of the browser app. After tapping on the browser app, now you can see the option of the default browser app. Now here in the option of the default browser app, you have to set it to Chrome. Like this, again, you can go back, and then after going back, now you have to tap on app details and store, and then you have to update your very Google Chrome like this. So this way you can set to Google Chrome as your default browser on your very Android phone. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.